How to create MEXC account. Welcome back to our channel. In this detailed video presentation, I'm going to talk about the process of setting up an account in MEX. Whether you're a newcomer to the world of cryptocurrencies or in search of the trustworthy trading platform, this video serves as your ultimate resource and we will unveil fantastic opportunity further. MEXC stands out as a reputable cryptocurrency exchange recognized for its diverse selection of the digital assets, user-friendly interface, and distinctive feature of not requiring the verification for setting up an account. In this video presentation, we'll expertly walk you through this establishing your account. So let's kick off the process together. So by launching your preferred web browser and heading to the MEXC website directly or using the convenient link provided below. On the homepage, locate the sign up button typically positioned at the top right corner. And by clicking on this button, you will be directed to the registration page where you will be instructed to input your email address or the mobile number and subsequently create a robust and a secure password. Opt for a strong password to safeguard the integrity of your account. A notable aspect of the MEXC is its exemption from the account verification requirements, allowing you to engage in the trading promptly without the hassle of submitting the personal identification documents. It's a swift, seamless, and convenient process that positions the MEXC as a compelling choice for many traders. Then click on the Sign Up button. Follow the prompt to confirm your email by checking your inbox and entering the corresponding code. And congratulations, you have now successfully completed the creation of your account without encountering any verification obstacles. While verification is not mandatory, ensuring the security of your account is paramount. MEXC offers security features like two-factor authentication, which adds an additional layer of protection to your account. We strongly advise activating this feature to enhance your account security. Now you will be fully equipped to embark your journey with the MEXC. So remember, investing in cryptocurrencies involves a risk, so ensure that you make well-informed decisions and allocate your investment wisely. So this was all about it. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.